Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on Monday.com. This might seem like a small feature, but if you're managing multiple brands, departments, or Shopify stores, it can actually save you tons of time and hassle. Navigating multiple accounts can be a bit tricky, especially when you're juggling tasks and deadlines. But I'm here to make it straightforward and simple for you. Let's dive right in. First, what you want to do is open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. If you're already familiar with Monday.com, you know it's a versatile platform used for team management and collaboration. Many Shopify store owners use it to organize product launches, inventory updates, marketing campaigns, and even customer support workflows. Sitting in front of your computer with the website open, the first page you'll typically see is your main dashboard with all your current projects or boards. Think of this as your command center, where every task, timeline, and project is visible in one place. Now, once you've got Monday.com in front of you, look at the top right corner of the page. You will notice there's a profile icon up there. This is usually a small circle with either an image or just your initials if you haven't uploaded a picture. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is your starting point for many navigation tasks, including switching accounts. It's similar to switching between Gmail inboxes or Instagram accounts. Everything starts with this profile icon. With the profile menu expanded, you should see several options listed, and among them will be Switch Accounts. Clicking on Switch Accounts is the key step here. If you have multiple accounts linked to your Monday.com profile, for example, one account for your Shopify business, one for a consulting client, and maybe one for a personal productivity workspace, this option is where you can toggle between them seamlessly. It's a straightforward function, but being able to switch quickly means you can manage different projects or teams without needing to log out and log back in every time. It also helps you stay focused instead of losing momentum searching for the right workspace. After clicking Switch Accounts, a drop-down menu will appear listing all the accounts you have access to. This is where you need to be a little bit observant. Simply scroll through the list and find the specific account you wish to access. For example, you might see an account labeled Main Shopify Store, another called Marketing Team Workspace, and maybe a client workspace you're collaborating on. Once you've found it, click on the account name and you'll be swiftly redirected to that account's specific dashboard. You'll instantly see all the projects tied to that account, giving you a clean separation of tasks and making it easier to think clearly and organize your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the steps to switch accounts on Monday.com. Remember, this process can be repeated as often as needed, making it a versatile tool for handling different teams, projects, or even roles within your organization. If you're scaling your Shopify business, this simple workflow can become a huge time saver, especially when you're delegating tasks or switching between supplier management and marketing planning. Keep in mind that for security purposes, you should ensure that your account credentials are always protected and never shared. For efficiency, make sure you're logged into the correct accounts and have them linked appropriately. This will save you a lot of time in the future, especially if you're collaborating with virtual assistants, freelancers, or other team members. Setting permissions correctly ensures everyone only sees what they need, helping protect business-sensitive information. Also, if you encounter any issues while switching accounts, Monday.com's Help Center and support team can be quite helpful. They offer resources and guidance for troubleshooting should you find yourself in need of additional support. They also have tutorials and templates you might want to explore if you're new, like pre-built boards for product planning or order tracking, which can be a great starting point for Shopify beginners. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this helped clarify how to switch accounts on Monday.com and why it can make your workflow smoother, especially if you're running multiple online stores or working with different teams. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out via comments and